We here. A little girl liking the kid. They liking my voice. She's amazing. The mom. Look at my dogs. They know how to behave. They know how to behave. It's a little girl. They know how to behave. Not to go out to the little girl or not. Look at that. Look at that behavior. Look at that behavior. Look at this. Yeah, nice. Be good. Be good. Nice. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Touch him, mommy. Touch him. Touch him. Good boy. Like, good boy.
I got that one. That one.
See? She's not scared. This is a good sign. And,
Okay,
yeah.
Okay.
Look at that. Way. Uno se llama Brooklyn y la otra se llama Coco. That's Coco and Brooklyn. Ah, Pepe. Everybody, she called Pepe everybody. Look at that. I came out for a walk and the little girl wanted to see them. We stopped. She's going crazy with them. Looking. Look at that, guys. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful thing, guys. Look at it. They know how to behave. They know not to go forward. You see? Nice. You see that? Behave. Right there. He knows how to behave. He knows. Here you go. Here you go. There you go. See that? Yeah. You see that? Yeah. A future customer we have here, huh? Lo que te saboreando.
Like it, mommy? You're gonna have one soon.
Nah, that's yo.
You're gonna have one soon.
Yo quisiera que tuviera los nietos míos jugando baloncesto con ellos en el medio de la cola. Que ellos se vuelven locos con la bola de baloncesto. Y ellos no.